Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I wanted to talk about natural hair. Why? Because simply I love, and I really love everything that is about natural hair. So this video specifically, I wanted to talk about how to maintain your natural hair when you are on a budget. Why? You may be starting your natural hair journey and you don't know where to start and you don't necessarily want to spend the money for it. Or you may be a student, or you may be simply somebody that don't want to spend 200 rand, 300 rand or so much rand on natural hair products. So I'm here to show you some things that you can do to maintain your hair, have beautiful, natural and curly hair, but still don't have to break the bank for it. So it is important to always try to pre-poo your hair before washing them. Simply because a pre-poo prepare your hair for a shampoo. Sometimes the chemical in your shampoo are just too harsh for your hair. And also, when you wash your hair, there is too much water coming inside. So a pre-poo will stop your hair from swelling, which will stop what we call water fatigue. So to pre-poo your hair, you can use conditioners or you can use oil. I simply prefer to use oil because I find that oil gives me more benefits. So my favorite oil to do a pre-poo is coconut oil. Coconut oil is very affordable and also it is very good. It has so many benefits. You can use coconut oil on your nails, on your body, on your hair. You can even cook with it. I cook with it all the time. Coconut oil smells divine. I'm running out of it and I've got so many like this. It is very nice. So how do I use my coconut oil for my pre-poo? Simply what I do is I take my coconut oil, I apply it on my hair strand, I apply it on my scalp, and I cover my hair with a conditioning cap, or simply something even more affordable, something almost free, a plastic bag. That's what I use. I use a plastic bag on my hair and I cover it up for about 30 minutes and I'm ready for my shampoo. So for washing my hair, there's different DIY that I would like to propose to you. They have been very working for me and I hope that you enjoy the benefits too. So the first one is African black soap shampoo. I use African black soap shampoo to wash my hair. It has a lot of benefits. It washes my hair very nicely and it is affordable to make and very easy as well. I make my African black soap shampoo in this container and it has been working wonderful for me. The second one is bentonite clay shampoo. I buy bentonite clay at discount, but I think you can also find it in all the health shop that you can find. Now, talking about conditioner, I don't have a DIY for conditioning your hair, but we all know the benefits of conditioning your hair after washing them. So my favorite conditioner is the Tresemme Botanic Conditioner. It has coconut milk and aloe vera. It is very good to condition your hair. I really suggest that you should try it. After you have pre-pooed, wash and condition your hair, I suggest that you care for your hair by doing an oil treatment or a mask. To do a mask, you do not have to go buy expensive masks. Yes, they are good, but in your kitchen you can also find very good ingredients that you can use for your mask. The first thing is honey. Honey is very good for your hair. It is a humectant, therefore it draws all the moisture that your hair needs. The second thing is aloe vera. Aloe vera is in Cape Town pretty much free. I like using aloe vera because we all know that aloe vera has so much benefit. And for your hair, it brings moisture, it's anti-inflammatory. So the next ingredient I want to talk about that I use in my mask is double cream yogurt or Greek yogurt. This is my holy grail. This is just my favorite. Since I know this ingredient, since I know this for my mask, I've been falling in love and I've been always going back looking for it all the time. It is great for your protein mask. Every time my curls are looking dull, every time I don't see my curls, every time I use it, it makes my curls pop. So I really recommend it if you are looking for something for protein to give strength to your hair. So now the next ingredient that I like for my mask is avocado. Avocado is food for your body. Avocado is food for your hair. It makes your hair soft. It nourishes your hair. It has a lot of benefits. I use it all the time for my mask. Now, when it comes to moisturizing my hair or even for my mask and styling my hair, I always reach out for my oils. I have a lot of oils, but among the favorite one that I'm going to present today, the first one is extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is my go-to oil. If you have to pick one oil, if you are starting your natural hair journey or you are just looking for an oil and all the others are not working, try extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is good for your skin, it's good to eat, and it's also great for your hair. It nourishes your hair, it's lightweight, it penetrates easily your hair shaft. It's just one of the best oil out there. After that, I would like to talk about sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil is one of my favorite also, not only for my hair but also for my body. It has a lot of vitamins, it has a lot of benefits. It's something that you want to try, absolutely. There's also an oil that I wasn't sure about, but I went back to it and I tried it in different ways and I found that it's actually a very great oil. And this oil is amla oil. I don't know if you can see, but I'm running out of it. This is just to show you how great this is. This oil is very good. It has a lot of benefits. Also, it will make your hair strong. And also, I noticed that since I've been using it, my hair has become very dark. So it's great if you want to conserve the dark color of your hair. Now, among the oils, there is also essential oils. There's a couple of essential oils that a natural hair person can use, but this is my favorite oils. I have about 3 to 4 favorite essential oils, but today I wanted to present my 2 favorites. The first one is tea tree oil. I know the packaging looks funny, but I've been having this tea tree oil for a couple of months, I think. But it's very great. It's very great in my mask. It's very great in every time I'm moisturizing my hair. I put it in my water bottle. It's such a great oil for the scalp. It helps me when my scalp is irritated. It's really one of my favorites. But then the one I discovered not long ago and that I really always reach out for is peppermint oil. Both of those oils are very affordable. You can find it in Clicks, in Discam, all the pharmacies. It's always there. I think it's one of the oils that I always find in the pharmacies. And I really love it. Peppermint oil. Now let me tell you. Peppermint oil is one of the oil that is just close to my heart. Peppermint oil helped me when my scalp is itchy, when I have my braids and I just can't stop scratching my hair. I put a bit of peppermint oil in my water bottle. I mix it with water, I spray it on my hair and my hair feels fresh, my scalp feels fresh, the irritation is gone. So really, if you need to try an essential oil for your scalp, it's peppermint oil. Both of these oils are great for your scalp because it will promote the circulation of your blood that will improve your hair to grow. So still on moisturizing my hair, I use a couple things that I hope will help you in your natural hair journey. The first thing that I would really recommend you to try if you haven't, because I really believe that it can be a game changer for your natural hair journey, is apple cider vinegar. not any type of apple cider vinegar, but raw apple cider vinegar with the mother. Just make sure that it contains the mother. If you can go organic, it's way better. This is affordable. You can find different prices, but this one I buy it from this camp and I believe it's less than 50 rand, but I will put the price. It's very, very nice. Not only that it's good for your body, we all know the benefit of apple cider vinegar, but it's great for your hair. I use it to rinse as an apple cider vinegar rinse. When I wash my hair, it regulates the pH of your hair, because sometimes the product that you use during your washing or your styling are just too harsh, in a sense that the pH is sometimes too low. So apple cider vinegar will simply restore the pH of your hair, and it also has a lot of benefits. So if you are looking for something that you can use daily, also apple cider vinegar. Sometimes I put apple cider vinegar in my water bottle. Sometimes when I go to the gym, I cannot wash my hair all the time every time I go to the gym. So sometimes I put apple cider vinegar in my water bottle with some water, mix it on my hair after the gym, and it cleans my hair as well. So this is a keeper. So now there's another one that I really like to use. Some people like it, some people don't like it because they don't like the smell of it. But I personally like everything that is earthy. So this is also one of my favorite. It's shea butter. I know shea butter might smell a bit weird sometimes, but when you mix it with sometimes essential oils like orange essential oils in your mix, or guys, just try shea butter and you won't be disappointed. It's moisturize your skin, it's very nourishing. You really won't be disappointed. Sometimes you can make a whipped cream out of it to style your hair or just to moisturize your hair. I buy my whipped cream from Niobe's Olive that is owned by a very beautiful lady that is named Sophia. She sells this whipped butter that contains shea butter, avocado oil, and geranium essential oil. It's also very nice. But I also make my own DIY whipped shea butter. It's very nice when it comes to styling your hair and also moisturizing your hair. One of the things that I wanted to say about moisturizing is that, remember, oils, butters do not moisturize your hair. What moisturizes your hair is water. I know that some people think it's not, but I really believe that water is the only thing that moisturizes your hair. The only problem is water tends to evaporate. Simply, water tends to leave your hair. So what you need is an oil or a butter or some type of moisturizing product that will lock the water on your hair so that your hair can be moisturized. That's why I use oils, butters that also, not only that they moisturize your hair, but they also lock the water. So really remember that the oils alone, the butters alone will not moisturize your hair. You need water. That's why I use my next tool, that is water bottles. I use my water bottles every day. If you are a natural hair person, I don't want to say women or men, but if you have natural hair and you don't have a water bottle, I judge you. If you don't have a water bottle, think again. I really think that this is the tool that every natural hair person needs, because it's so handy, because you need it for so many things. From pre-poo to styling, you need a water bottle. You need a spray bottle. And it's very affordable, it's very cheap. You can find it in so many places. You can find it in Discam, in all the plastic waste shops. You can find it in Pick and Pay. You can find it in Clicks. You can find it everywhere. So always have a water bottle if you have natural hair. It will help you to detangle your hair when you are also doing your T-rings. I didn't talk about T-rings yet, but when you are doing your T-rings, you need a water bottle. It's gonna be way easier. So always think about that. I have 2 water bottles that are really my favorites. This one, I use it most of the time. I use it every day. Every time I want to freshen up my afro as well, I use my water bottle. This one is it's a bigger format. I use it for my tea rinses. By the way, I didn't talk about tea rinses. Tea rinses are good for your hair. If you haven't tried, let me tell you. Go grab some black tea. Go grab some green tea. Make a cup of tea and put it in your water bottle. After your shampoo, spray it on your hair, cover it for some minutes, and you will see you will experience less hair loss. It's really great. Once again, another tip for affordable maintaining of your hair.